Programmable power unit supplies based on quick charge technology. Introduction: One significant requirement for modern switch-mode power supplies is the ability to remotely control output parameters achieved through remote control units or computers. Software control offers several advantages, including the ability to create custom power supply operation modes. The objective of this work is to study power blocks charges with the quick charge technology and develop a programmable power block based on them, capable of remote software voltage control via USB port or Wi-Fi wireless network. Researching the characteristics of output voltage variation through the Qualcomm HVDCP. The interaction between the power adapter with quick charge support at the mobile phone is illustrated in Figure 1. The Qualcomm high voltage dedicated charging port HVDCP is used for interacting with the load via D+D lines and setting the voltage level for the power source at 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, and 20 volt, or voltage adjustment steps for QC 3.0. Interactions between QC 2.0 plus devices and the adapter occur through the D+ and D- USB lines. The QC protocol doesn't adhere to USB characteristics and utilizes specialized logical levels. To control the adapter, it's necessary to generate 0 volt, 0.6 volt, and 3.3 volt levels. Researching the characteristics of output voltage variation through the Qualcomm HVDCP. How to determine which type of adapter is connected. In QC 1.0, compatible adapters have a distinctive feature. The D+ and the D- lines inside the adapter are shorted. Figure 2a. QC 2.0 adapters, after being powered on, output a voltage of 5 volt, and the D+ and the D- lines inside are still shorted by a transistor. Figure 2b. Ensuring compatibility with QC 1.0 by applying a voltage of 0.6 volt to the B+ line and waiting for approximately 1.5 seconds, the adapter will open the lines and connect a 20 kilo ohm pull-down resistor to the D- line. Figure 2c. If D- is pulled down to 0 for a few milliseconds, the adapter will switch to the HVDCP special mode. Setting specific combinations of logic levels on the lines allows obtaining the required voltage. Table 1. Each adapter is protected against interface, so the indicated levels should remain uncharged for 60 milliseconds for the changes to take effect. Development of a programmable power supply unit based on quick charge technology. The structural diagram of a programmable power supply unit with remote control based on quick charge technology is illustrated in Figure 4. The diagram comprises a power source charging device built upon quick charge technology, a control module with the ability to connect through a USB port or wireless Wi-Fi network control device, enabling remote management of operating modes. Control device, computer, laptop, smartphone, or specialized control remote. Figure 5 illustrates the control module schema for the programmable power supply unit with remote control based on quick charge technology. The output voltage is extracted from the first pin V-bus X1. The output voltage can have fixed values of plus 5 volt, plus 9 volt, plus 12 volt, and plus 20 volt. The selection of the output voltage is accomplished using button SA1. By default, the output voltage is set to plus 5 volt. If the power adapter supports QC 3.0 and higher technologies, it can be switched to continuous mode, and the output voltage can be programmatically set from 3.6 volt to 20 volt in 100 millivolt increments through the word interface RX. If the power adapter supports QC 2.0, then fixed values of plus 5 volt, plus 9 volt, plus 12 volt, and plus 20 volt can be programmatically set through the word interface. For power adapters supporting QC 1.0, it's not possible to programmatically set the output voltage through the word interface. Investigation of the programmable power supply control module. The control module schematic was implemented on a prototype board, figure 6. The Arduino Nano module was programmed with the QC switch program using the Arduino IDE. The Xiaomi MUI 11 EZ charger was used as the power adapter. Figure 7 shows experimental investigation of the interaction between the control module and the power adapter to implement the programmable power supply based on quick charge technology. As a result of the studies, the circuit operated according to the specified algorithm, and output voltage values 5.185 volt, 9.17 volt, 12.02 volt, and 1898 volt were obtained. The QC technology supported by the power adapter can be determined basing on the voltage level on D-. To do this, the control module applies a voltage of 0.6 volt to the D+ line. If after 1.5 seconds the voltage on the D- line equals 0.6 volt, it means that the adapter supports only QC 1.0. If the voltage on the D- line is 0 volt, the adapter supports QC 2.0. The adapter will enter HVDC discrete mode, setting one of the combination of logic levels on the D+ and D- lines within 60 milliseconds, allow obtaining the required voltage. The QC 3.0 power adapter can be switched to HVDC continuous mode. Transition to continuous mode doesn't change the current voltage. Exiting continuous mode is possible only if the 5-volt state. From the 5-volt, 9-volt, 12-volt, 20-volt modules, you can perform transition to any other mode. Control of the output voltage in continuous mode is done directly using pulses on D+ or D-. Control of the output voltage in continuous mode is done directly using pulses on D+ or D-. Each pulse has a duration about 1 millisecond. Figure 7. The program enables remote control of the operation of the programmable power supply. To do this, you need to connect the control module to a quick charge compatible power adapter and to a computer. Afterward, run the QC remote program in the Arduino IDE and input the desired output voltage in the stereo monitor. Within 1 millisecond, the required output voltage will appear with the output of the programmable power supply. The Arduino Nano module was programmed with the QC remote program using the Arduino IDE. The Xiaomi MUI 11EZ charger forever for QC 3.0 FC01 22.5 watt power bank RAF power PPC 132 power adapter in Phoenix XC02 US Leon USR UD7656 Max PDP96 power bank and Xiaomi Mi power bank 2 were used as test devices. The results of the QC protocol type determination are shown in Figure 10. Based on the QC protocol testing results, the Xiaomi MUI 11EZ charger RAV power PPC 132 power adapter and Forever Core QC 3.0 FC01 22.5 watt power bank can be used for further experiments. The results of experimental studies of the programmable power supply with remote control using the Xiaomi MUI 11EZ charger are presented in Figure 11. Remote control of the programmable power supply was conducted through the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE. Acknowledgement. The following conclusion can be drawn from the results. First, quick charge 2.0 and 3.0 power adapters chargers for mobile phone can be used to build a programmable power supply with remote control. The output voltage can be remotely adjusted through the dedicated high voltage charging port HVDC. The control module is connected to the power adapter through HVDC. The control module is powered either from a personal computer or from the power adapter. The remotely controlled output voltage is taken from the V-bus G and D lines of the HVDC port. Control of the output voltage is achieved through voltage levels of a specific duration on the D plus D minus lines of the HVDC port. The control module software allows for the detection of power adapters that supports quick charge 2.0 and 3.0 technologies. Adapters with quick charge 2.0 can be switched to HVDC discrete mode and have their output voltage remotely changed to fixed values of 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt. Adapters with the quick charge 3.0 can be switched to HVDC discrete and HVDC continuous modes. HVDC continuous modes allow remote control of the output voltage from 3.6 volt to 20 volt. Remote control of the power supply can be achieved through the USB port, wireless, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi interface. The microcontroller of the control module must support WART interface, to which out module's interface converts can be connected for interaction with the remote control elements. The software for remote control on the client side should be developed separately and should interact with the control module software. Thank you.